2025STAKE, absolutely the best code on Stake US during registration. In today's video, you will learn how to get a huge welcome bonus of 25 Stake Cash plus 250,000 gold coins, and how to get 1 Stake Cash and 10,000 gold coins every day. To use the code 2025STAKE during registration on Stake US, click on Code and enter 2025STAKE, then complete your registration. For existing accounts registered within the last 24 hours, click on the profile icon, go to Settings, then Offers, enter the code 2025STAKE in the Welcome Offers section, and click Submit. You've now activated exclusive VIP benefits on your account. 25 Stake Cash plus 250,000 gold coins welcome bonus is valid for new users only. You need to verify your account and email address within 3 days of registering. After verification, you will receive a coupon for 25 Stake Cash and 250,000 gold coins in your verified email. You can also claim 1 Stake Cash and 10,000 gold coins every day. Just click on the wallet icon, then Daily Bonus, and click Claim Daily Bonus. We hope you enjoyed our short review, one of the first and most recognizable international online services.